Hello. In this video, we're going to be talking about how an admin would send a bulk message to their agents in DeltaNET 6 and the updated workflow for an admin to send a bulk message to their users in DeltaNet 7's updated admin workflow. Previously, in order to send a group message to your agents in the DeltaNet 6 interface, you would go under the Users tab and select Send Message. And from this, you would be able to see a history of all the previous messages you sent, and you would be able to send a bulk message. Maybe we want to send a mass email to our agents, or send a text message, or publish a system notice that would appear when somebody logs into the DeltaNet. For the case of our example, we're going to send a notice that there's a blizzard and our company offices are going to be closed. So we'll say all offices closed, and we want that to be visible to all the user types in the company, and we only want to send it to the offices that are affected. So we'll grab a couple of the offices. When I click send message, this would send a bulk text message to all of the agents that had a number entered in their cell phone field. You could also send a bulk message that was an email. So we'll proceed to step 2 with an email message. And if you were sending a bulk email, you could schedule it to run at a later date and time. You could include content in the email, add attachments to the email, save this as a template to reuse in the future, and then you could CC yourself to get a carbon copy of the email when you click send. That's the experience of using the send message feature in 6. The updated experience to sending a message on behalf of the company in DeltaNet 7 is going to be done by going to the Intranet tab, and you're going to go to the company office roster. So in this example, we're going to go to the company roster. I'm going to type that into the top right-hand corner, and it's going to take me to company roster. While looking at the company roster field, I have the ability to send a message. And you're going to see that if you are a company administrator. So by clicking on the 3 dots, you're going to see send a message, post a notice. If I select to send a message, that's going to open up the modal that allows me to send a bulk email, where again, I can schedule it to run at a later date and time. I can attach files to it. I could say who it should reply to if anybody responds to that email, what email inbox should those replies be going to, and then I can select which user roles or offices should receive this email notice. You could still send a bulk text message as well. In our example, we could say we're going to send a Blizzard notification that all offices are closed and select the affected offices and click the send button. It's going to send a bulk text message using that interface. I can also post a notice. This is going to be a pop-up prompt that appears to whatever users you specify. So if you know you're going to be doing some DeltaNet updates or you want to send a notice that will appear when they log into the system, you can add that notice and save it, and they'll get a pop-up prompt the next time they log in. Additionally, if you have any questions about the company message system, you can contact support@deltagroup.com. Thank you.